that. So you see where see how that lays, 3 lay flat if you put them out like this? That's how you want to lay it across the other rope. Kind of separate it. All right?
It's like a mini ponytail.
And where that goes, see this bend right here? You're going to want to put that under this one. I'm gonna open it for you because it takes some coordination to do it. You gotta practice. Put this one through there. Yep. Take it from the end. Not from there, from the end. Yep. Okay, pull that right up tight. Perfect. Now when you get to here, see how that's starting to unravel? Tighten that right up. Alright, now you got your rope. The black piece is the next one, obviously. The way it turns out, it's going through the black one. So take the end of the black one, we're going to go through it. I'll open it for you again. Stick that through there. Okay, once again, you hold the end, twist this. Keep everything in where it's supposed to be. Just like that. See how that little hoop is right here? Okay, and then this one, you skip this one, see it? You skip over this one, that's going to go right under there. I'll open it for you again. Okay, turn that up. Okay, it looks good. Now, you're going to hang on to this right here with your left hand. When you pull them under, and you're going to start doing this. One at a time, and they're going to fall into that groove we're following right now. See how it's coming back into it? All right, so you do the rest of it. One at a time. You go with the black one. Twist it as you go. I'll bring the other one, this one, up around. Nope, nope. See that one? You had to go a complete turn with that one. See, now we got the rope back again. You gotta let it kind of flop into its own. Hang on to it right here with your left hand. Keep turning that. Right, now the black one. Now the other one. Now as you're turning it, twist it, and it puts it right into the good. Now take the yellow one. Now the black one. Keep working your hand down. Perfect. See how it's staying tight now? It's shaped like a rope again. Keep twisting. Now this one, you gotta get that one to catch up. So you gotta go all, watch, stop right there. See how that one's gotta be all the way over here. Go a little more.
What are you doing, Mom?
Right, that's good. That's good. Okay. Now, once again, we got this across there. All right, you want to tape this. Put your tape on. Right up near my fingers here. Bring it as tight as you can. Okay, now same thing as before. You got your 3 strands, like that. You bend it over. It's the same thing again. Spread them out the way it lays. See that little curvature? You're gonna put that. I'm gonna open this up and stick that in here, that yellow. Okay, perfect. Like I say, when you get it in, make sure it's twisted tight. Now you bring this over. The next one, you got this one. Now the next one would be the black. Black goes through black. And keep everything tight every time. Get the last one right through there. And you rotate them where they're all laced. See, everything looks uniform on it. If something doesn't look right, and you stop right there and start over, figure out what you did. Now this one, now, you don't want to go through here, you want to skip one, you go to the black one. So stick that yellow one right through here. Pull that right up tight and rotate it again, twist it. Good. Good job. Okay, now this one here goes under this one. Okay. This one goes under the last one. Okay. Now, I want you to kind of feel it. Take each one, try to get one more twist out of it. It's all pretty tight though, right there. See how nice that looks? That's how she's supposed to, right? Take your tape.
Take it down the road. I have to lean this far.
Real tight.
We got reason to do that.
Because we're going to melt this afterwards back. Right now, just to hold it together. Then pull it right up and break it. Perfect. Okay, so you got that. Go to your headstall. Down through here. It's a nose piece. You come across to your chin strap.